I know.
Damn.
So, this is pretty intense.
Yeah, dude. 3 teams.
Yeah, it's on. So, 3 teams mission airsoft. This is going to be great.
Do we know what the objectives are yet?
Nope.
That's the fun part.
Gentlemen.
Y'all just coming out to observe?
Yep.
Alright, because y'all are observing, y'all should know who has what deal going on. Did we put you on any teams?
No.
No.
Okay. I was like, wait, miscount.
That's all good.
Okay, it's
I'm
9,
tired,
9, and 9. Alright? Their objective is to wipe out that team.
Only that team?
Or to make sure that that team is wiped out. If that team gets wiped out, they win. Their objective, we're still trying to figure it out.
Their objective is to find another flag. It's on,
Okay.
it's on center field.
Their objective is to find the black rat that he hid on Northfield.
Oh god, that's going to
So-
be hard.
It is.
If they find the black rat, they win.
So in other words, this is goal is to win.
If they find it and bring it back,
Or to
they
find it.
win.
Or do they just find it?
If they find it. All they gotta do is find it.
All they have to do is find it and secure it.
Find it, secure it, and make sure that we know that they've got it.
Okay.
However, in order to do that, they have to go through the team whose sole purpose is to wipe them out.
That's
He has a sick twisted sense of humor.
I approve on that.
You guys are just going to get shot at.
Meanwhile, all of the other objectives, all the teams are going to be looking for every other objective to make sure that the other teams don't complete them, and the objectives are scattered all over the field.
I hope y'all do some like random ones out there.
We have fun with this game. We really do.
Well,
It's evil.
well, I'm
It's
glad
an
I'm
evil
observing
game.
this one.
There's a reason that everyone loves this game.
It's
And
ridiculous.
I came up with the concept.
Let's do it.
Let's hit them.
Alright, I'm gonna let them know what their objectives
I'm gonna let them know what theirs is.
and I will let you know.
So I guess we're going Southfield?
No, I'm just walking around now.
Everyone following me?
Alright, so everybody on YouTube, y'all now know exactly what this Mission Airsoft game is all about.
This actually seems like something that would have been really fun to play, provided you didn't get on the screwed team. Those guys whose sole purpose is to die.
Yeah. But
You guys have to go find something that's in the other people's base. By the way, they're trying to... Do we tell them their objective?
no,
Oh, okay.
you probably already know it.
Kill.
And you also don't have to dodge my SVD either.
No, that one, I'm not worried about that one because I got to get out in the clearing to get hit with that. Your damn pistol shoots through stuff. I don't like that something.
My SVD will punch through
Oh,
everything.
yeah. But that's one round at a time. That freaking pistol, the whole mag coming at you at once.
Yeah.
I now
Take
understand
away
the
that thing
twisted
sour.
humor thing. I'm now starting to get that whole twisted humor thing, looking at the team.
Oh yeah. Now that I know what the teams are, it's like,
Yeah.
I see everything now.
This is really not right. Oh god.
Oscar, I'm in the home, punker. I'm moving. Yeah, it's a gun they gave away last week, that H&K.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Really?
he won it last week.
Damn.
Can you see it? Wow, that's a lot lighter weight than I thought it would be.
Yeah, no shit. It's super lightweight. I thought it was going to be heavy as hell.
I'm surprised how good it shoots for me.
Yeah, it does for being
a
a...
plastic gearbox.
Mm-hmm. Shoots
It's a
very
plastic
well.
gearbox?
Yeah. Actually shoots pretty damn smooth, accurate as hell.
A little hard.
It's probably an
What was it,
Umarex.
280? 290, something like that.
This morning it was at 180.
Last time when he first found it was 280, I think is what it shot at.
That's pretty good.
Not bad, that's fine.
All right, I'm gonna go to another area. And
Good luck, guys. Where the fuck is he going?
wait a minute,
I don't know.
y'all do know y'all's objective, right?
No, okay.
Wipe them out.
So wrong. So wrong.
But yeah, football's another really good game out here.
I like this being this my first day. I really like Mission Airsoft. It's fun.
Yeah, I know. Why else do you think I enjoy coming out here?
Because it's badass. You get to be a badass.
Yeah, and it's a good group of guys. Too bad Crucifix went off to cross seas because he's a badass.
Freaking everyone knows about the pistol. Oh
Dude,
my God.
hell yeah!
You weren't even joking.
I pistol primaried with that thing.
Everyone.
My
talks
first
about
time
it.
out here.
Everyone's like, yeah, I'm really scared of that. It shoots through walls.
It does.
Alright, we're ready, Adam?
I'm ready. I'm not in the yellow vest, but please don't shoot me. I have caution tape. I'm not. This literally supports the fact that I'm the token black guy.
Game on! Game on!
Alright, so we have a noob team sent out of nowhere. They got sent to nowhere, right? Like just to kind of go find a flag or something?
Yeah, find a flag in some center field.
The rat. Is this Northfield? Is this where we are?
No, this is south.
We're on center field. This is center field.
So much fire.
Northfield is way back over there. Where we had that attack and defend.
Yeah, Northfield is where attack and defend is.
Oh, that's fun. Wait, you said there was going to be a drawing, right? For all the new people?
Not all the new people, just the first 5.
Oh, cool.
And it's already been done, unfortunately.
Oh, so I didn't win.
Yeah, it's already been done.
Damn.
Now I hope I can find that stinking flag.
What happened?
I hit the flag. I think I know where it is.
Is it over here?
Yeah, it's to my right somewhere. I'm just getting over the center to my right.
So did you just like, or did you actually walk in there?
But I mean, it's like right in here somewhere. How many? It might be 5. I know that. How many spawns do we have? 2.
So there's 2 respawns?
2 respawns. Remember, everybody has 2 respawns.
So. Alright, you have the best. Stand behind you.
Yeah.
Because I know they will shoot me.
Oh yeah.
This is a prime example of what you don't do. Everyone huddle up and stand behind a tree that's not even big enough to support you.
That guy's got it right.
Oh, they're being screwed from 2 sides.
Yeah.
Oh,
shit.
Hey. All in the back. They're really talking. That's a good thing.
Yeah, even
Like,
though I
I've
think they
noticed that-
should be using radios though.
Yeah, you can hear that. I just know that from what we've seen and like what teams I've been on, they talk and they do communicate really well, which is good.
Mhm.
They're willing to be like, hey, so and so's over here, so and so's over here. He calls them out too. Oh, these guys have a way bigger upper hand.
I know.
Look at Gilly. Can you see him? Little Gilly's got this thing, dude.
Indeed.
290 FPS and he's ready. Question?
Answer.
Why do people put their stock on top of their shoulder?
Get it up closer.
Oh, paintball tactic.
Yeah.
Okay. I just never understood why they put the stocks up there.
Yeah. It's paintball tactic.
Well, I get that. I'm not getting in the way of Mr. Saw. You know that's Mr. Saw, too.
Shush. Alright, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go look at the backfield over here.
Who?
Backfield. Because they ain't getting over here.
Oh, no duh.
The only time they would is if they did a hard cut.
Yeah, but I mean that would take a lot of force.
Yeah, it would.
I mean that'd be at least 3 guns non-stop shooting through here.
By a hard cut, I actually don't mean push through those guys. I mean punch through where we were walking through.
Oh well, yeah, that'd be easy.
And then punch down the road.
But the thing is that a lot of people, when you don't know other people's objectives, there's no secure way to figure all that out, you know?
Alright, well, now we get to actually explore this a little bit.
Oh yeah. Freaking
Because I've never been out on this side ever since they added that fort.
that thing's rape. Getting picked off way over there by these guys, that's just OP.
Yeah, and I shot a guy out of this hole from way in the shit back there. Just donk.
You can see he was getting heavy.
Yeah,
People were trying.
everybody gets hosed right there.
Because there's no way to get out.
Now I know that this thing's here. I would totally be a defender.
Why?
Because otherwise, you don't got to dig diddly shit for cover.
Why would you be a defender in the first place?
To be a badass?
I mean, literally, this is like, no cover here.
Yeah, those guys have it rough because I don't even know where the fuck that thing was thrown.
The rat?
Yeah.
It's probably seriously somewhere back here.
Probably. Or it's like buried in that stuff.
I mean, it's not the fact that they're trying to find the rat, it's that
Except they
not
have to
gonna get through
punch
the wall.
through.
at least with not with
Alright, let's go see how everyone else is doing.
Wait, too.
Huh.
Plot twist, you didn't actually throw a rat or a flag.
Nah. That would be dick if you threw them through the opposites. I told him that. I'd do something dick like that.
That's literally slaughter theft.
Yeah. People getting mowed.
Yeah. And you have to call hit 3 times, yeah. Generally.
No, you just have to use your big boy voice.
Hit. I'm hit, guys. Or pull a paintball move and just put up your hand.
Dude, that doesn't work.
Yeah, I know. It was a joke.
Is that thing spring?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
That would suck to pull that. Gilly's like, man, screw your couch. I got this.
I don't even know how many years. First time you get shot. You can be shot 3 times. You get 3 lives.
Oh.
You can respawn twice.
Oh, okay, well.
But he had one right over there.
Be back in.
Be gone with you.
Be gone with you. Respawn one last time. And then if you get shot.
And
You
then
know
we'll
you're
take
chill
the
when you're
shot.
being hit.
You have respawn twice.
No one's
He's being
fingers
bad.
are on the trigger. Oh, Gilly's going. Right here.
I got shot twice, and I was reloading, and I, responded to him, then I was back in the game, so I was reloading the gun, and then I got
Trying as hard as possible not to get mowed down by Mr. Sawman, who for some reason has more balls than anyone out here, and he's willing to go pistol with 8 people aiming at him.
Yeah.
Did you get that on camera?
Probably.
Huh?
Probably.
That could be great on YouTube.
Alright, so there's a bunch of guys in the tire base.
Hey, Fred! Damn! Why don't they fucking help them?
Hmm?
These guys on the far left, they should be helping. We're not in. We're not in. Yeah.
We're spectators.
I want to go get in on this argument. Hey, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Let's think about rationality. It's a fucking grenade.
I'd have died. I was behind here. I'd have died. He'd have been fine. If this was the fire, I probably would have died.
I'm talking about a real grenade. If a real grenade had gone off right there,
Us two would be dead. He would not. I was crouched, but it was right above my head, so I would have been dead.
right behind you. I saw the grenade coming in.
Y'all two are dead.
I yelled grenade and you're alive.
I stayed up.
He was away from me. He would have been like minutes apart.
Get back behind
Hey, let me see the grenade.
Okay.
Anybody within a 5-foot radius dies.
Game's not over.
Alright,
I'm in 10-foot radius.
Game's not over. You can go respawn at your zone. Okay, hey, that's your zone right there.
All came back on. All back on.
Hang back on. Hang on.
Okay.
Hang on.
It's game on.
It's live. It's live right now. Shit. Trying not to get shot because he's still there.
He's dead.
Hey, yeah, you're dead.
You dead? Yeah.
Like, he's out. What up?
Hey,
Where's
can
my
we
cover?
have you run reconnaissance since you're dead?
With game.
No. He's dead. Not for your team.
I'm over here
Alright,
on the outside still.
I'd head it back off this way if you're dead.
Who all is completely dead on your team? Justin?
That's the only person I've seen. That's dead.
Oh, you're with the woodland team, right?
Yeah, they came up from behind.
Okay.
Oh, they're getting close like this. Dude, they're screwed. Look at me on that side. Look at this random spread.
Hey guys,
Yo,
you know, y'all know who it is?
I have no idea.
The team that we're waiting until everyone's dead on.
I actually haven't been paying attention to them. I've just been walking around getting action. But I'll start.
Completely insane with everyone all over the place. It's hard to keep track of who's done what exactly.
Alright, well, I'll start keeping an eye open.
So we're supposed to count people now?
Yeah.
Run up the ref. What the throw?
Well, I've played enough. I know rules.
Huh?
I've played long enough. I know the rules.
The rules aren't that hard to follow.
Alright, so you're long gone.
Hey, how'd you like that kill?
Good night. I'll pick it back up to you. I'll pick it back up for you.
Holy shit.
You dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Back up.
Hey, why you shoot me?
That's 2 off woodland that I count.
2 off woodland.
Yeah.
2 no markers. How many off on the other team?
Uh,
The team that started off over here.
that's what I'm gonna go count right now.
Yeah, they're the ones with no,
Nothing? Alright.
even without any markers.
I don't know this guy's name. What's this guy's name? Sawman, right? That was the stop.
That's the guy in the ACUs.
Yeah.
I don't know him.
I need to ask them, hey, are you two dead?
Yeah.
Like, out,
they're
out?
dead.
Yeah. Like literally, you hit me right here.
How many guys were on your side?
9, I think.
9.
And you two were out, right?
Yeah, he wasn't on my team though.
Alright.
One other guy who would have been out. I gave
2,
him my weapon because his shit went down.
3.
Okay, me and the
Alright.
big man are out, so.
You know that too? Yeah, like I
Who else is out?
back that I go respond.
And like before my time
What time?
ran out,
What time were you? What side were you on?
I shot him right in the
Woodland.
right in the glasses, dude. Like right here.
Were you on the Woodland guys?
That's where I was aiming
The
for. I was
ACU
aiming for-
guys?
Hello,
Woodland. Alright, that's 2 off of Woodland.
dude. Well, good job to scared the
Woodland.
shit out of me.
No, 3 ACU.
3 ACU, 2 Woodland.
Were you filming this whole entire time?
Yes.
He still is.
I still am technically.
Alright.
What side were y'all on?
YouTube?
Yeah.
What channel?
Hey, what's your YouTube channel?
Orsef Plaz. I'll write it down for y'all. So what side were y'all on?
Woodland.
Alright. So that's 3, 4, 5 off of Woodland, 3 off of ACU. Alright, there's 5 off of Woodland and 3 off the ACUs that I counted.
Okay.
5 off Woodland and 3 off of you guys.
Yeah.
3 off of the no marks.
5 of the Woodland? 5 of the Woodland are there.
Yeah, most of them were all the
So they still
were
got
all
4
the
left.
little kids.
Oh. Was David out there?
David,
Yeah, those
David's the ZFC.
Big guy with
No.
big gun?
Big guy with big gun.
he wasn't out.
Didn't think so.
I haven't seen
And
him.
he by himself across the
Oh. Well, as long as,
Nobody's
yeah, that's
in the
for sure.
yellow together. They could do it.
If I had comms, it'd make it that much worse.
Yeah.
Given as soon as I got a scope on my stuff. What's up? I don't blame you.
dealt with you, and I was like, wait, shit.
Come on.
Hello, guys. Is Gilly still over here?
Yeah, somewhere.
God, I like the way he's riding. Like, I like the way he stands up. Like 3-6.
I think Living Killy's still in there. Is he still there?
If so, he's doing a real good job.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, damn, he's doing good.
I know. Actually, most of the time I don't have a problem with finding gillies.
Gilly's not hard to find because of his face. That and he moves a lot.
Yeah.
Like he moves, and they're not like subtle moves. They're not like very slow.
There ain't dick as shit on this side.
Huh?
There ain't dick as shit.
Yeah, the HCU guys were like, yeah. You had no chance. I was like, yeah, you guys are kind of destined for that. That was your whole thing. And then
Hold that for me. Yeah, it's not gonna take, you know. Alright. I think I had this thing wrapped too tight because I started getting a headache.
Oh, they're telling him not to shoot at us. Thank God. Hey, what's that?
All good.
Damn, what a town. Oh shit, that's him. Holy crap. I didn't even see any of them until just now.
Oh, shut up.
That's pretty fast. Not one now. Found Gilly. I like little Gilly.
Hmm.
He's getting a throw too. Woodland team went all out.
No shit.
Like they were like, screw you guys, we're doing it.
Screw you, hippies, we're out.
We don't have a gun. Like, I understand if we have a gun, if that's why they're looking at us like that, but we don't even have a gun.
Yeah.
What? Yell tango. Yeah, we'll see that. Whiskey tango.
Yeah, if you don't yell tango, we shoot you.
I know you're not on our team, but we're allies. No one will run out.
Hey, I think I hear activity in the left.
It's unfair.
They just started making allies with the ACUs. Yeah, it was
You guys watch the light.
Well, that's a turn of events.
I know. This could actually change the game. No? No? Okay. Let's come in.
No, he's busy.
Huh?
He's busy, leave him alone.
He's standing back here not doing crap.
No, he's the rear guard.
Not the right way. Come on, he's not. Literally just hailing BBs everywhere.
8.5 minutes.
Looks like this way.
Yeah. You're dead, walk this way.
Spectator.
Yep.
You're about to get lit off.
Yeah, I know. Why the fuck do you think I told you to move?
No, those two were teams. These guys were shooting at Sim, not knowing who that was.
Yes, I know. Why else do you think I was getting the fuck out of Dodge?
I don't know. Just loud.
Man, I may be a badass, but even I know.
Oh crap, I was about to get headshot.
You need to call hit.
Guys, you got like 1 minute to
You need to call hit.
You have 8 minutes to hit this objective.
Actually, I'll have like 8 minutes.
Yeah, you guys have 8 minutes.
You still up?
You want to try to push up the left side, maybe?
Yeah, that's what we've been doing, so we just pull up to the side.
This side we don't know. It's fun.
Yo.
The sniper kept looking at me, and I was like, no, no, no. Not leaving you. You have the safety.
Indeed.
Because he'd pull his head down, and I'd kind of pop up to look at him, and he'd pull his gun around. So I was like, no, 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 no. I'm not dealing with this. I don't know where he is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go figure it out.
He's out.
Spawning in 10, 9. Tango, tango, tango.
His name is Scream Whiskey. He's already ready. I wonder who they're shooting at. Because all the woodland guys are on the road, pushing that road really hard.
No, they're like right up there.
That's good. You got a couple random back here.
No, they're playing rear guard. That's what they do. They're playing rear guard.
No. And then you got this guy. Oh,
Shut
dude,
up.
he's bumping. He's like, I'm not. You guys aren't moving. I got this. Gonna go dog stairs.
You know what's going on, right? While y'all are having such a hard time, we decided to call y'all just to make it a little bit more clear. big bombs on Hawaii. Go for the other teams.
Yeah.
That's what's holding y'all back right now.
So if they
Yeah,
kill
I
all
kinda-
of them, is that game?
There's still, there's 5 minutes left. 5.5 minutes.
Yeah.
Come here, look at this. Look at this. Come here, look at this. 5 minutes. 5 minutes? No respawn. Look at it.
Oh yeah, they're hitting us.
Look, how many times I gotta fucking hit him? Hold your hit! Please!
You want us to
Hold
call
your
now?
hit! That's what I'm talking about. Look how many times I fucking hit him. He's sitting there watching him. He's getting hit.
I know, you were lighting them up.
He could have been already dead.
No, because he was standing there gun up.
Something.
I mean, he just sat there and took like freaking 200 BBs. I'm liking the I4s.
I know. I probably should have worn them myself.
Kind of liking them more than the I3s.
I told you.
So I might actually pick up these instead. I mean, it's another like $50, but kind of worth it. Are you guys dead? Are y'all out or are you responding? Oh, okay. Well, 2 respawns in a go, but
Well, 3 lives.
yeah.
2 respawns out of the way.
Wait.
You
Yeah.
die?
Yeah, because your initial life, then you're the 2 respawns, which equals 3 lives.
Oh yeah, so we probably anyway twice. I got hit twice.
So you have one more.
You die, respawn.
I thought it was 2 hits. I think I got one more life. You got 2. So we good?
Yeah, so you technically should have 3
Good.
respawns.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So you're good.
Oh, we good.
Have fun, guys.
Hey, look, everything else counted. I always get confused on that.
It's all good. It happens to the best of us.
My favorite spot in the butt, I could slide the pad thing.
Well, I think they should go this way. Well, that's where I got shot up.
God, you had a bunch of sweat in my eye.
Yeah, that's the reason why you wear the...
God. Alright, I gotta go. This is burning.
One minute left.
This was interesting to watch.
It was mostly just a whole bunch of slaughter.
It really was. And then those 2 teams decided that they were just going to team up together and wipe out the 3rd team. And the 13 still held their own against them.
Well, that's 2 ZFCs for you.
Yeah. 2 ZFCs against 1 ZFC and a bunch of kids. ZFC knows what they're doing.
Yep.
No doubt about it. You have a ZFC member on your team, you have to have this too.
Yeah.
That's why we're so proud of our ZFC.
And I'm also proud to be on that. That's game.
Game over! Game over! The old flag was right there the whole time.
That's game.
Game over, guys! Game over! You gonna play the next one or sit that one out too?
I don't know yet.
The next one is going.
If it's the infection
it's going
one,
to be infection, I think.
I'm gonna sit that one out because.
Not a fan.
Oh, I'm a fan of it.
Tired?
It's just I'm freaking tired.
Eventually, today we're thinking about
I'm just...
initializing a brand new game, a concept that we came up with on Monday.
Yeah, the survival one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Game is over.
That's game.
They're all mad. 3 teams fighting each other.